This video you are going to learn that how Satyajit Ray specifically selected his location for the film Sadgati, and this is very important because he differentiated the two class staying together in one village. So for knowing more, don't miss the entire video. Stay tuned with me.
In Sadgati, there are two different neighborhoods inside the same village. One belongs to poor working class people, the other belongs to the Brahmins. The central character Dukhi walks from his own neighborhood toward the Brahmin locality. But there was a major cinematic challenge. Both areas looked almost exactly the same. The color of the soil was identical. The trees and surroundings were also similar. So, how would the audience understand the exact moment when Dukhi entered the Brahmin neighborhood? In 1981, Satyajit Ray traveled to different villages in Raipur district of Old Madhya Pradesh. His purpose was simple: to search for the perfect film locations. During this journey, Ray noticed something extraordinary: huge statues of Ravana. And he observed something very interesting. Wherever these statues stood, the place instantly felt different, separate, unusual, and disconnected from his immediate surroundings. Ray immediately understood the visual power of these structures. Nothing could create stronger distinction and separation quite like these giant statues. So Satyajit Ray decided to create a giant Ravana statue himself. The sculpture was built by art director Ashok Bose and his team. But the most important question was, where should the statue be placed? Ray chose the entrance of the Brahmin locality, and suddenly everything changed. With just one visual element, the Brahmin neighborhood became completely separate from the rest of the village. A strong cinematic identity was born. Now, when Dukhi enters the Brahmin neighborhood, the audience instantly understands that he has crossed into another social and cultural space, without dialogue, without explanation, only through visual design.
लकड़ी काटना जानते हो?
भैया, काटता तो हूं मैं घास। अब ये लकड़ी काटना मैं क्या जानूं?
तो फिर क्यों बेकार हलाकान होते हो?
महाराज का हुक्म है भैया, उनको घर ले जाना है, बिटिया की सगाई का दिन विचार देंगे।
इसीलिए उन्होंने तुमको ये लकड़ी पकड़ा दी है चीरने के लिए।
मैं तो चीर भी देता, अगर पेट में कुछ चारा पड़ा होता तो। सवेरे बखत ही नहीं मिला खाने का।
तो क्या वो तुम्हें खाना भी नहीं दे सकते? भले पैसे ना दे, कहो ना उनसे।
घर चले चले यही क्या कम है? खाना किस मुंह से मांगूं?
तो फिर चलाओ कुल्हाड़ी, चलाओ कुल्हाड़ी।
The Dasera festival is celebrated because on this day Lord Rama defeated Ravana and rescued Sita. The festival marks this victory. However, not everyone in India celebrates Ravana's death with joy. For example, the people of the Gond tribe observe this day with sorrow. In their view, Ravana was wise, talented, and a protector of common people. The elderly tribal man is here actually representing Ravana. This was the genius of Satyajit Ray. For him, a location was never just a backdrop. Every location needed a landmark, a visual signature, something that could instantly separate one wall from another. And sometimes, if reality did not provide that symbol, he created it himself. Just a single statue, one carefully chosen visual symbol, and an ordinary village become remarkable in the history of world cinema.
And if you want to know more about cinema, then stay tuned with me and see you soon. Bye.